Most people think AI agents are just advanced chatbots. That's too shallow. A chatbot usually answers questions, but an AI agent can understand a goal, use information, connect with business systems, take actions, and sometimes complete tasks with limited human input. In simple words, an AI agent is not just there to talk, it is there to do work. Think about a normal business system. A manager checks sales reports, then they check stock levels, then they message the supplier, then they update the team, then they create a task for staff. Every step requires human attention. Now imagine an AI agent inside that same system. It sees that one product is selling faster than expected. It checks inventory. It notices stock will run out in 2 days. It compares supplier delivery times. It drafts a reorder request. It alerts the manager. And if permission is given, it can place the order automatically. That is the real difference. Traditional information systems show information. AI agents can act on information. This is why AI agents are becoming important in business systems. In a CRM system, an AI agent can review customer behavior, identify leads that are likely to convert, draft follow-up messages, remind the sales team, summarize past conversations, and suggest the next best action. In a supply chain management system, an AI agent can monitor stock, detect supplier delays, forecast shortages, suggest reorder quantities, and alert the operations team before the problem becomes serious. In a business intelligence system, an AI agent can analyze dashboards, explain why numbers changed, summarize weekly performance, highlight risks, and recommend actions instead of only showing charts. In an HR system, an AI agent can screen applications, schedule interviews, answer employee questions, track leave requests, and remind managers about pending approvals. In a finance system, an AI agent can check invoices, detect unusual spending, match payments, flag errors, and prepare reports. In a customer support system, an AI agent can answer common questions, create tickets, summarize complaints, escalate serious issues, and update the customer automatically. So AI agents are not a separate fantasy topic. They are becoming the action layer inside information systems. But here's the catch. AI agents are powerful, but they are also risky. Because once a system starts taking action, mistakes become more serious. A chatbot giving a wrong answer is bad. An AI agent placing a wrong order is worse. An AI agent sending the wrong message to customers is worse. An AI agent approving the wrong refund is worse. An AI agent changing financial records without control is dangerous. That is the brutal truth. The more power you give an AI agent, the more control you need around it. A serious business should not allow AI agents to do everything freely. There must be permissions, limits, approvals, audit logs, human review, and clear rules. For example, an AI agent may be allowed to draft an email, but not send it without approval. It may recommend a reorder, but not place the order above a certain amount. It may summarize employee performance, but not make final hiring or firing decisions. It may detect fraud risk, but a human should review serious cases. This is how AI agents should work in business systems, not as uncontrolled robots, but as controlled assistants connected to business workflows. The real value of AI agents comes from integration. If an AI agent is not connected to the right systems, it becomes weak. It needs access to CRM data, inventory data, sales data, finance data, HR records, customer tickets, business rules, and company policies. Without that context, the agent is just guessing. And guessing inside a business system is dangerous. This is why strong information systems matter before AI agents. If the database is messy, the agent will use messy data. If the process is unclear, the agent will follow unclear logic. If permissions are weak, the agent may access too much. If business rules are not defined, the agent may take wrong actions. If nobody monitors it, small mistakes can scale quickly. Bad systems create bad agents. AI agents do not remove the need for structure. They make structure more important. Another important point is accountability. If an AI agent makes a mistake, who is responsible? The employee, the manager, the software company, the business owner, the developer, the AI model? This question is not optional. Businesses need clear responsibility before giving agents real authority. Because when AI agents operate inside business systems, they touch real customers, real money, real stock, real employees, and real decisions. Today, most businesses should start with low-risk AI agents. Agents that summarize reports, agents that draft messages, agents that answer internal questions, agents that remind teams, agents that detect issues, agents that recommend actions. Then, after trust is built, businesses can slowly move toward agents that take limited actions under approval. That is the smart path. Not automate everything. That is reckless. The smartest businesses will use AI agents to reduce repetitive work, speed up decision-making, support employees, and make information systems more active. But the smartest businesses will also keep humans in control where judgment, ethics, money, safety, and customer trust are involved. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to understand AI agents as the next stage of information systems. Because traditional systems stored data, modern systems showed insights. AI-powered systems started making recommendations. And now AI agents are beginning to take action. But the future does not belong to businesses that blindly hand control to AI. It belongs to businesses that combine strong systems, clean data, clear processes, human oversight, and controlled AI agents. Because AI agents can make a business faster, but without discipline, they can also make mistakes faster.